India's biggest Hyderabad Kids Fair 2021 is back and is all set to go live after a gap of 2 years in a physical. It will be held at Hitex Madhapur from December 24th to 26th. This time it is bigger than the biggest ever. More than 150 exhibitors are participating, not just from the city, but from all over India. Some of the top exhibitors in the 14th edition include Byju's, Spark Studio, Instrico, Nestle and Fabby Baby.
This year, after the break of event last year due to COVID, I'm very happy to announce that the show is being launched in a much expanded format. The format is going to be covered by 5 different elements. On an overall basis, the show is going to get covered through its very well curated expo. It is going to have a very well placed zones for edutainment. We'll have a very good experiential zone with lot of engagement activities, and we are going to have a lot of people present for the nutritional requirements of a child. We think that, with these 4 formats, the requirements of the child are completely taken care of in today's situation in time. In addition to this year, the show is going to get an addition of mother and baby zone through Fabby Baby. I'm thankful for Fabby Baby to have belief in Hyderabad Kids Fair, to have joined us in promoting Hyderabad Kids Fair this year. I'm happy to announce that, the one of the biggest edtech company, which is Byju's, is going to be a part of this show. They are going to present various products to the different age levels of the children with their edtech products.
Namaste, good afternoon. I'm Metali Archit, Principal Pallavi International School, Gandipet, and today we are representing here in Hitex Hyderabad Kids Fair, and we are the educational partner of this 14th edition, and it's a privilege to be a partner of Kids Fair Hyderabad. And Pallavi Group of School started in 27 years back, and it evolved and emerged as a brand in Twin City, Hyderabad. And the USP, if I talk about, it's state-of-art infrastructure across all 10 group of schools, and yes, we are expanding our wings across Pan-India, and our chairman, Mr. M. Komaria, he's the visionary and who started this group of school 27 years back with only 56 humble students, and today we have already expanded our wings with more than 25,000 students from KG till PG, and our USP, if I talk about our scholarships, our state-of-art infrastructure, and we have given scope to each and every child to explore his dimensions, all the dimensions, whether it's co-curricular, curricular, extracurricular. From, if I talk about Pallavi Gandipet International Branch, one of our students, Shrestha Reddy, she is gold medalist state level, and she's a national level archer. From Bovenpalli, we have a singer who has emerged out. From Alwal branch, we have a mountaineer. So there is no limits, and sky is, we believe that there is no limit to the sky. Thank you. God bless you all. Congratulations for the curtain raiser.
Myself Manoj, I represent a brand called Fabby Baby. It's a Dubai based brand. We already launched in certain markets in Middle East and USA. Now we are bringing it in India. Hitex, we are taking it as a launch pad. So 24th we will unveil all the products. Products are made in UAE, tested in Dubai, and at the Dubai Central Laboratory, and we are seeing it as a good opportunity, and let's see how far we can go. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ravi Kabra. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Skippy Ice Pops. It is India's first ice popsicle brand. We are very excited to be a part of the Hitex Fair, and currently Skippy Ice Pops is made from 100% natural ingredients and natural flavors and colors, and we are selling across 2,000 stores across India. So for people who have been missing this product for almost last 30 years, can go ahead and try Skippy Ice Pops because they're absolutely healthy, and it will take you to your nostalgic thoughts of your school days. Thank you one and all.
Hi, this is Shubham from printsoncanvas.in. So we are an online printing company where you can get your memories and photos captured into the canvas art. And we are launching our products with the Hitex Kids Wear, and we wish you to please come and visit us and have fun at the Kids Fair. Thank you so much.
నా పేరు శైలజ, మై ప్రింట్స్ అండ్ కాస్టింగ్ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తున్నాము. హైదరాబాద్ కిడ్స్ ఫేర్లో పార్ట్నర్స్ అవ్వడం చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో వీఆర్ 2008 నుంచి స్టార్ట్ చేసామండి. టుడే వీఆర్ హ్యాపీ టు అనౌన్స్ దట్ వీఆర్ #1 కంపెనీ ఇన్ కాస్టింగ్ అండ్ ఫోటోగ్రఫీ. మీ మెమరీస్ని, మీ కిడ్స్ మెమరీస్ని మీరు పిల్లలు పెద్ద అయిన తర్వాత కూడా వాళ్ళ మెమరీస్ని మీరు సేఫ్గా చూసుకోవాలనుకుంటే కమ్ అండ్ విజిట్ మై ప్రింట్ స్టూడియో అండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Hi, I'm Sulakshna, founder of Shushu Babies. Shushu Babies is a personal care partner for Hyderabad Kids Fair, and we are very proud that we are originated and nurtured here from Hyderabad. So I'm a US written mother and a pharmacist, and who started this personal care especially for kids and babies ranging between 0 to 12 years. So it's a great thrilling experience that Hyderabad నుంచి ఒక brand వస్తుంది, and we are associated with Kids Fair, and so now Hyderabad అందరికి they know that there is a brand which is nurtured from Hyderabad, and we are introducing our products to Hyderabad people. We are all across selling all across India. Pan India నుంచి మేము అన్ని e-commerce platforms లో available ఉన్నాము. So it is a great experience and we are really looking forward to it. Thank you so much.